This literature kit on Walk Two Moons by Sharon Creech includes material that supports every student's learning perfectly. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put yourself in the character's shoes and imagine what happened to Mr. Cadaver. Understand how language changes by researching terms associated with indigenous peoples and communities. Describe Sal's last memory with her mother. Summarize a dream you've had with as much detail as you can remember. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as designing and creating various postcards from key places along Sal's road trip route. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Determine the turning point in the lives of 5 characters from the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.